It's bonfire night, the great British tradition where we light up the sky with explosions to celebrate the failed murder attempt by some Catholic man some 400 and so years ago. Weird when you think about it. Why do we do that? Bit of salted caramel syrup. We're gonna do one shot. Then we're gonna do a double shot of vodka to warm our souls up. Then a lime. Finally, bit of apple juice. Salted caramel and apple. Oh, rocks glass. Big ice cube, look at that. For a bit of flair, we got some sparklers, haven't we? Ooh, much better. Oi. And there we go.